Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to send files on Facebook Messenger using iPhone. So first of all, launch Messenger application, then launch any conversation you wish to on your Messenger. Now from here, tap on the plus button at the bottom left corner. Now over here you can see share a file, which means that you can choose any file from your device to send directly to the contact. Now let's tap on choose files. Now over here you can browse through various files on your mobile device. Now in order to choose a file, simply tap on a particular file that you wish to send. I'm going to choose this one, and then if you tap on the option of open at the top right corner of your screen, you will be able to send that file to your contact on Facebook Messenger using iPhone. So this is it for today. And if you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.